Yo, what the hell is going on, guys? What the hell is going on? Welcome to my first video. Another video. While playing Don't Press the Button, but it's private server, so make sure to subscribe, like, comment, share. Please like my video. Alright, press the button. Pink right here. Alright guys, we're in the next one. Let's see. Bomb. Slapping booty. Slap my booty.
Slap, 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 tap, 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 slap, slap.
Ouch. Slapping booty. That got me dying for real. Bomb. I cannot get my jump coil. All I could get is those stuff. I cannot get my gun too? What? God damn. Just let me get the jump coil. Alright. Wah! Can I get my speed coil as well?
I'm a fire in my laser!
Who's this guy? Boom! That's right. That was a giant dinosaur over here. Oh, well, I never heard of that game, but okay. Huh? Already? Huh. Is this one? No. Yeah. Alright guys, I think that's it for the video. But it's only 1 minute left. Only. Or 5 minutes. Let's play the backrooms. Okay guys. So gingerbread man. Where am I in this kid's place? I need to find all these presents. Well, they look like this from somewhere here. I have to get 6 presents. There should be no monsters here. I got my banana peel. Alright guys, that's it for the video. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe, like. I'll see you in the next video.